Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic AutoCAD 2027 how to change background color. So if you want to change background color, you can type OP to open options dialog box and then go to the display tab, click on the color button. Be sure for the drawing window colors and in 2D model space you have the uniform background. Like Indra will change for the color to cyan and click apply. The background color will be changed into cyan. Okay, you can click again the colors here and I will change with the select color and you can choose like into this color. Click OK and then click apply and close to set the background color. If you want to reset into default, you can click again color button and then click restore all contexts. Click restore and then click apply. It will be set to the default color. Okay, that's it for basic AutoCAD 2027 how to change background color.